Hi friends, welcome to Joyful Journeys. I'm Miss Andy, and today we have a colorful rainbow adventure. I am so excited because we're going to look at tasty fruits and see how each one of them are so special. And I'd love it if you could help me feed our hungry animal friends. What do you say? Are you ready to learn and have fun together? Awesome! Let's do it!
Hi friends, today our fruit friends are going to dance and show us their seeds. Are you ready to move and learn? Let's go. I am an avocado. I love to spin. I grow on trees and look. I have one big, round seed in my middle called a pit. I am a green apple. I am crunchy and sweet. Watch me hop. Inside my core, I have many tiny black seeds. Can you see them? I am a kiwi. I have fuzzy skin, but I'm green inside. I love to wiggle. See all my tiny black seeds? You can eat them all. I am a mango. I am sweet and juicy. Watch my tropical dance. Inside me is one big flat seed that helps me grow. I am a banana. I grow in big bunches. I love to slide. When I peel back, you can see my tiny soft seeds inside. I am a strawberry. I grow close to the ground. Watch me spin. My seeds are special because they are on the outside. We are blueberries. We are small and blue. We love to dance together. Inside us are very tiny seeds and purple juice. I am a blackberry. I grow on thorny vines. I'm very bumpy. Each little bump has a tiny seed hidden inside. I am an orange. I'm round and bright. Watch me roll. Inside my juicy segments, you can find my white seeds. I am a dragon fruit. I grow on cactus plants in warm places. Watch me dance and spin. Look inside. I am white with so many tiny black seeds. Wow, that was a lot of dancing. Can you remember which fruit had the big pit and which had seeds on the outside? Great job today, friends. Keep dancing and eating your healthy fruits. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Look! A bright red strawberry!
Yummy!
Did you know that strawberries have tiny seeds all over the outside of them instead of the inside?
Wow!
Let's cut it open. We're going to cut off the green top. Look at the white ring that grows inside of the strawberry. It is shaped like a circle. Let's cut it one more time. If we open up the two pieces, you see another white line with other tiny ones rolling out to the seeds. They are sweet, juicy, and grow on little plants close to the ground. Can you say strawberry?
Strawberry. My favorite. Nom nom ooh ooh ah ah. Nom 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 nom. Look at that juicy orange.
Oranges have a thick textured skin that we can peel off before we eat it. Oranges also grow on trees. Let's cut it open together. Inside are little slices that taste sweet and a little tangy. If you look closely, those little slices are shaped like triangles. Oranges are full of vitamin C, which helps keeps our body healthy. Let's cut it a bit more to see a closer look. Look at the tiny triangles. Do you see them? If I cut it again, it makes a perfect little slice that we can eat straight off the peel. Can you say orange?
Orange.
Oranges are also the color orange.
Don't mind if I do. Nom 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 ooh ooh ah ah. Nom 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 nom.
Here's a yellow banana. Bananas have a peel that protects the soft fruit inside. They are sweet, creamy, and give us energy to run, jump, and play. You can peel them or cut them open. Let's see what the banana looks like inside. When you cut them open, you can see some tiny black seeds. Bananas grow in big bunches on banana plants. Take off the peels and enjoy it as a nice snack.
Monkeys love bananas.
Yes, they do.
Nom nom, ooh ooh ah ah. Nom nom nom.
Wow, this is a mango. Mangoes have a smooth skin on the outside. Let's cut the mango. Mangoes have a big white seed in the middle, so you have to cut the sides. Wow! Look at that bright yellow. That is awesome. Inside is the sweet and juicy fruit that is yellow and orange. Mangoes grow on tall trees in warm places. I love eating mangoes. Let's cut a little slice.
Maka maka mango, mango, mango. Nom nom, ooh ooh ah ah. Nom nom nom.
Look at that. It's a bright green apple.
Green.
Green apples have a smooth and shiny skin and are nice and crunchy when you take a bite.
Apples can be sour. The longer they ripen, the sweeter they get.
If you cut the apples open, you can see tiny brown seeds that are hiding inside the middle. The tiny brown seeds are hiding inside what's called the core of the apple. That's the very middle. Green apples grow on trees and they make a yummy and healthy snack. Can you say green apples?
Green apple.
Great job!
Yummy, 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 yummy. Nom nom, ooh ooh ah. Nom nom nom.
Look at this avocado. Avocados have dark, bumpy green skin and a big round seed in the middle. The inside is soft, creamy, and light green. Avocados grow on trees and are a healthy and delicious snack.
Avocado is a fruit. Look at that giant seed. I like my avocado with salt and lemon on it. I think I'll try some now. Avocado! Nom nom, ooh ooh ah ah. Nom 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 nom.
Wow, this next fuzzy fruit is called a kiwi. The outside is soft and fuzzy, but inside it's bright green and there's tiny black seeds all around the middle. Let's take a closer look. Cut your kiwi straight down the middle and you will see all those tiny black seeds. Look at that! Kiwis grow on vines. They taste sweet but have a little zing.
Kiwis are tangy. Leave them out, they get sweet. Yummy! Nom nom, ooh ooh ah ah. Nom nom nom.
Look at these little blueberries. They are tiny, round, and blue.
Look at them, they're so tiny.
Blueberries grow on bushes in big bunches. They start off growing green before they turn a beautiful deep blue. The insides look a little bit green. They are juicy, sweet, and sometimes have a little zing. They are fun to eat by themselves or sprinkled on yogurt, pancakes, or oatmeal. Yum!
Nom nom, ooh ooh ah ah. Nom nom nom.
This is a special fruit. It's called a dragon fruit. Look at that pretty pink color. It has green leafy scales on the outside. Even though it's called a dragon fruit, it's not from a dragon. It grows on a cactus. Wait until you see inside. It's white with tiny black seeds all over. Wow, how beautiful!
Wow, dragon fruits are yummy. They look cool inside.
Look how magical! It is soft and juicy, and the seeds are safe to eat.
How special. Nom nom, ooh ooh ah. Nom nom nom.
Our last fruit is a blackberry. Blackberries grow on thorny bushes called brambles. Look at that! It's made up of tiny little circles that are all stuck together.
Blackberries are black, but the juice is purple.
That's right! When you cut open a blackberry, the juice is purple. Inside you see a greenish-white center and all the little seeds that are inside each tiny little bump.
So much goodness in one tiny fruit. Yummy! Nom nom, ooh ooh ah ah. Thank you for all the tasty fruit! And remember, friends, do not use a knife by yourself. Only adults can use it. Be safe, friends.
Oh wow, that was so much fun! We learned about the colors of the rainbow, and you even helped me feed our hungry animal friends. Their tummies are so happy! Yay! I can't wait until the next joyful journey. If you want to come along with us, tell an adult to like this video and subscribe to my channel so that way we can have more fun and more learning. All right, friends, that's all for today. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.